How's it going?
I'd be that guy.
I'm Mark. James, tell me a little bit about your truck, James.
It's a 1966 GMC 3/4 ton. I just spent almost 4 years getting it restored. I've had it for 3 months. It's got the original matching numbers 327 with their turbo 400. I cammed it, aluminum heads, fast fuel injection. She goes.
It's pretty.
Thank you.
So it wasn't in this shape when you got it?
No, totally frame off restored.
Yeah?
Yeah. No, when I bought it, it was original and it hadn't ran in 30 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's super clean. And how long was the resto project on it?
Almost 4 years. Friends of mine did it for me and they worked on it a lot.
What's it look like under the hood?
It's dressed up quite nice. Unfortunately, I have to hold the hood. Yeah, have a look. Yeah.
Looks super nice and clean. I like the nice open look for the intake.
But it's original hood, original doors, original tailgate, box sides. The only thing that I had to replace was the inner and outer fenders.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah. And actually my favorite thing about this too is the wood bed. Solid oak. And same thing, that's the original tailgate.
That's it. Oh.
That is not an aftermarket, that is the original one. Yeah.
Just went to see how this pops to grab right here, but now I have to look and...
Yes, I removed the chains. I
They're
put
chains, they have camber and slide locks and they just...
Yeah,
okay,
and then you pull them in and then it comes down.
That is a beautiful truck.
Was my uncle's truck from brand new. Sentimental value, yeah.
What original colors of it? What were they? Do you know?
Red and white. Not far off of this. It was a very orangey red.
Yeah.
And this is now a Camaro Hugger orange. 1969 Camaro Hugger orange.
Perfect. Thank you so much, James. I appreciate you taking the time to show me your truck.
Well, thanks for asking.
Thanks everyone for coming out to our second tuner night here at Wheaton Honda. It was a tremendous success. We saw some incredible cars, crazy cars I'd never seen before. You guys all made it happen. We raised a ton of money for the United Way and really looking forward to the next one. Please like, share, and subscribe. Follow us. We've built a new Facebook page, the Wheaton Tuners. Please check it out where you can keep up to date on all the upcoming events. We'll see you all in the spring. I'm Mark Tucker with Wheaton Honda, and it's always a pleasure seeing you at these events. Take care.